Hi guys, today we will talk about how to verify your email on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution on now how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do to verify your email, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just click here on settings and it's going to take you to settings window here like you say. Then you just click here on account security, then you come to account security window, you just click here on more settings, then you come to more settings window, then you just click here on email, and here you add your, so you click here on OK, and it's going to uh, add your email, and it's going to verify with you in this window. So I don't I don't have a right to do that because uh, I have to add your email because I add my account with my account Facebook. So if you add it with email, you just it's going to show for you your email, and you go to change it here or verify your email here. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.